Hey everybody, Wes here. We're going to do an unboxing for BattlBox Mission number 118. Got it right here. And then we're going to take a look at the contents inside, check out some prices online, see if we're getting a good deal or not. Everybody sit tight. We'll be right back. All right, buddy. Wes here. Let's go ahead and cut this tape. I've already cut the one on the bottom and see what our initial look is like here. Aha! Big, nice, full box here. We'll get that out of the way. Here is our guide for BattlBox Mission Brief for Mission 118. This is December 2024 box, and looks like there's some good stuff in here. So, like always, I'll pull it out. We'll look at it. We'll look at the prices that BattlBox sells it for at their online store, and then we'll take a look at what we can find it for online ourselves. We'll go from there. All right, guys, sit tight. All right, everybody, we are back, and here are 3 items you get in your basic box. If you subscribe at the basic level, that's $34.99 a month. You'll get these 3 items. First item right here is by Tactica. It is an EDC pad. Haven't taken it out of its plastic, but it's a nice rubber molded material. It's debossed with what looks like a topo map. It's got 3 places here for keys or earbuds or whatever you might ever have. It came in a nice box, but I took it out of the box. It's very nice. If you're like me and carry a lot of stuff in your pockets, something like this is nice to have so you can put all your stuff up every day. If you buy this through BattlBox's store, they have a retail value on this of $29.99. I will tell you that looking around online, finding this exact one, had a little bit of a hard time finding the exact one, but these do sell for right around $29.99 or $30. So I think they are spot on with the value they assigned to that one. The next item you get is a Silcock key. This Silcock key is, you know, in my opinion, a Silcock key for urban bags, get home bags, car bags, shit hit the fan bags, whatever you want to call them. Silcock keys are indispensable. These, you should have at least one of these in every bag. I use these daily in my work routine. These are for getting to the water hydrants that are on outside of commercial buildings. This one is a very, very heavy duty one that's not going to round off when you use it. It's steam oxide coated, which is going to be super rust resistant, and all the way around that looks fantastic. That is from county.com. Interesting thing about this one, I couldn't find it anywhere online except the county.com website, and on their website it says coming soon. It's not actually out yet. You can't purchase it through their website, so it looks like maybe this is a pre-order thing. You know, we're getting it before everybody else can get it. You can get it from BattlBox. They put a value on this of $18.95, and the website sells it for $18.95, or when they start selling it, they've got a price up for $18.95. And for a really good heavy duty one like this, I would expect to pay no less than $12 to $15 where I work. And with the steam oxide coating, and as well as this one's made, you know, $18.95 to get this exact one is exactly what it would cost me. So they're spot on with that one. And then the last thing at the basic level are these electrolytes here. They're by Mountain Ops Electrolytes. Yep, I know it's winter. A lot of people don't think about electrolytes and staying hydrated in the winter. When you take cold weather survival classes, they'll talk about that is a huge problem. People don't drink as much. They don't tend to realize they can still get dehydrated. It's got vitamins and minerals in it, and your electrolytes. This is what's called an STM, or straight to mouth. Inside of this are 30 individual packages. You can take that package, dissolve it in water in a water bottle if you want to, and get your electrolytes that way. Or if you don't have a lot of water and you don't want to mix it with electrolyte solution, the little bit you do have, you can just pour these straight in your mouth and get the benefits of getting the electrolytes. This is a 30 pack, and it comes in, there's 10 each of blue, raspberry, lemon, lime, and fruit. Yeah, fruit pink. Is that what I said? Yeah, fruit pink burst. they have a retail value on these, they being BattlBox, of $29.95. Now here's something interesting. When I look and find these online, I can find packages of these online like this, but only in 20 count, not 30 count. The 20 count ones sell for $29.95. This is a 30 count, and they've got a $29.95 value on it. Actually, I think it should be closer to $39.95 if you just follow the pricing. But we'll go, you know, so in order to compare apples to apples, it's kind of hard to do on this one. So long story short, they're dead on the money with their reported retail values on this. This box would cost you, a basic box would cost you $34.99. BattlBox says they've got $78.85 worth of value in it. Yeah, I agree. If you bought this stuff online, it would cost you at least that much. And actually, to get 30 of these instead of 20, it would probably cost you about $10 more. It probably cost you about $88 or $89 to get it. So at the basic level, you know, I think that's a great value. And this is stuff I will use every day. Again, you can't have enough of these. These definitely will get used. I like this mat, and I'm going to use that because I carry a lot of stuff. So anyway, hold on just one second, and we'll take a look at what you get at the advanced level. All right, guys and gals. If you get the advanced level box from BattlBox, you get everything that was in the basic that we just took a look at. And then you also get this item, the combo knife sharpener by Work Sharp Sharpeners. I'm not going to take this out of the box, but you can kind of see from here. It has an abrasive belt. It has angle guides here. You put your knife down in here while this is running, pull it through, and it puts a nice edge on it. You can go online and see tons of videos about Workshop. They've been out for a while. I have seen these at Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's and different places like that. Comes with a 3-year warranty. It'll sharpen all your knives. You can get more belts for it. This is a fantastic little sharpener. Now, BattlBox puts a value on it of $69.95, which I think is fair. And I'm pretty sure I've seen this particular model, the WSCMB combo knife sharpener, sold for $69.95. However, if you look online right now, everybody is selling this for $59.95. So there's a $10 difference. You could get this $10 cheaper than what BattlBox will sell it to you for. However, if you add this to what was in the basic kit, okay, or the basic box, I should say, the advanced box costs $64.99. So you would get everything that was in the basic plus this, which would bring the total value of products up to $148. $148.80 is what I'm showing. So, you know, for $65, you're getting $148 if you went out and bought this stuff yourself. That's still a pretty good deal, I think. That's a fantastic deal. And who doesn't want to keep their knives sharp? You know I do. Here's a super easy way to do it. Okay. So, yeah, good job, BattlBox. Thank you for doing that. And now we're going to take a look at the, well, this is the Pro level. I know I said advanced, but it's Pro. So now let's take a look at the Pro Plus. Okay, everybody, here is what you get in your Pro Plus box. Okay. This is a Fox Knives Yankee axe, I believe they call it. It's a wonderful camping hatchet. It feels good in the hands. Nice wood handle. I might hit that with some really fine sandpaper. There's a little bit of roughness to it, but not much. You don't want all that gone. And then we're gonna, you know, keep it oiled. Keep that wood nice and oiled and conditioned. Beautiful carbon steel head. It's made in Italy. It's very, very sharp, straight out of the box. And it comes with a very nice leather cover that you can put on it, which is also Molly compatible. All made in Italy. Fox Knives make fantastic products, and I'm glad to have this hatchet. I was actually looking for a new hatchet to take with me in the woods, so this really made my day to see this in there. So, BattlBox puts a retail value on the Yankee axe of $119.95. I was able to find it online Amazon, I believe, for $89.90. So there is a difference there. And that happens. So there's about a $30 difference. Okay. And back when these bought these, obviously they just didn't just buy these. Price points might have been different, things like that. When they got these from Fox, in order to send them out. But you know what I'm trying to say. It's a wonderful axe and a hatchet. This comes in the Pro Plus box. Again, the Pro Plus box is $119.99. And did you get a good value for $119.99? Well, if we go through, according to BattlBox says that it's $268.75 worth of product and you would have got it for $119.99. If you go through and look the stuff up online, and like we talked about it would be $238.70. So there's about a $30 difference. But, you know, is it a good deal? Yeah, because, you know, I'm getting, you know, on the cheaps, if I find it the cheapest I can online, $228 is what I could find it. Maybe $238 is what I could find it online. But you're only paying $119.99 for it. And you're getting, of course, the Yankee axe / hatchet, the sharpener. You're getting the seal cock key, which everybody needs several of those. You're getting the electrolytes. And you're getting the EDC mat to hold all your stuff at the end of the day. So, I mean, you're getting, to me, everything in here is 100% usable. For me, there's absolutely no fluff in there. I'm getting $238 worth of product, and I got it for $119.99. So to me, is it a good deal? It's a great deal. It's a fantastic deal. So anyway, there we go. Just a quick unboxing and then a comparison as to what you could buy it from BattlBox for and what you can find it online, Amazon, and places like that for. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll do this again next month. Thanks a lot.